Hi everyone, this is L.N.I 3D. Today I will show you how I print this Raiden Shogun figure from Genshin Impact. I'm using the Elegoo Saturn 4 Ultra for its sharp, quality print. As for the resin liquid, I'm using the Elegoo ABS light resin dark gray because it can make detailed print and it's quite cheap. For this effect parts I use the Elegoo Standard Plus Clear Resin and use Mono Cure 3D Pigment Solution to make it transparent purple for this effect parts. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Until next time.